Chapter number 12, Measurement. Measurement. To measure something like a length, mass or capacity, we compare it with a fixed measure of the same thing. A fixed measure is called a unit. Units of length. We have already learnt about 3 units of length. The kilometer is used to measure very large lengths or distance. The meter is used to measure lengths of cloth, wire, pole and so on. It is the standard unit of length. The centimeter is used to measure small lengths like book, pen, pencil, etc. Now take a ruler and observe it. The big marks are 1 centimeter apart. Between these marks are smaller marks that divide each centimeter into 10 equal parts. The length between one small mark and the next is 1 millimeter. Conversion of units of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. We multiply to change into smaller unit and divide to change into larger unit. So students, now let's look at example number 1. So we have to convert 17 kilometers into meters. So we know that one kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So to convert 17 kilometer into meters, so we can say 17 kilometer so therefore 17 kilometer is equal to 17 multiplied by 1000 meter, which is equal to 17,000 meter. So this is our answer. So 17 kilometer is equal to 17,000 meters. So I hope you have understood how to convert into meters from kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So to convert kilometer into meters, multiply it with 1000 meter, so we get 17,000 meters. Units of weight. The standard unit of measurement of weight is kilogram. Gram is another commonly used unit. Kg, that is kilogram, is used to measure heavy weights such as weight of a person, our school bag, etc. Whereas gram, that is G, is used to measure light weights such as the weight of a feather, a chocolate, etc. The standard weights made of iron are 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, that is kilogram weights, and gram weights 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram and 50 grams. Smart tip. Equivalence among 1 kilogram weight and its different submultiples. 1 kilogram is equal to 2 500 gram, 1 kilogram is equal to 5 200 grams, 1 kilogram is equal to 10 100 grams. 1 500 gram is equal to 500 grams. 1 200 gram is equal to 200 grams. When we go to buy vegetables, fruits or sweets, we see the shopkeeper weighing the needed quantity with the help of a common balance. Weights are kept on one pan and the objects to be weighed on the other. When both the pans are on the same level, the weights are equal. The pan with the heavier weight moves down, whereas the pan with a lighter weight moves up. The following example show the weights in both the pans. Can you tell how much weight has to be added to the lighter pan so as to balance the pans? In pan A, 2 multiplied by 200 gram equals to 400 grams, whereas in pan B, there is 500 grams. So 400 gram plus 100 gram is equal to 500 gram. Thus, 100 gram has to be added to pan A to balance the pans. Now here in pan A, 2 multiplied by 200 gram plus 2 multiplied by 50 gram plus 500 gram is equal to 1000 gram. Whereas in pan B, 3 multiplied by 200 gram is equal to 600 gram. So 1000 gram is equal to 400 gram plus 600 gram. Thus 400 gram has to be added to pan B to balance the pans. Conversion of the units of weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. To convert kilogram into gram, we multiply the quantity in kilogram by 1000. To convert gram into kilogram, we divide the quantity in gram by 1000. Students, now let's look at example number 1. Convert 3750 gram into kilogram and gram. So, we know that 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 3750 gram can be written as 3000 gram plus 750 grams. So now since it is less than 1000, so we cannot convert it into kilogram, but we can convert this. So 3000 divided by 1000, we get kilogram plus 750 grams. So we get 3 kilogram plus 750 gram goes to 3 kg 750 gram. So I hope students, in this way we convert the given in grams into kilogram and gram. So I hope students you have understood how to convert the given grams into kilogram and gram. Units of capacity. The standard unit of measurement of capacity is liter, and 1000th part of a liter is called a milliliter. Different standard containers of measuring capacity are 5 liter, 2 liter, 1 liter, 500 ml, 200 ml and 100 ml. Smart tip: equivalence among 1 liter capacity and its different multiples. 1 liter is equal to 2 into 500 ml. 2 liter is equals to 2 into 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 5 into 200 ml. 1 liter is equal to 10 into 100 ml. 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1 liter. Conversion of the units of capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 ml, that is 1 milliliter, is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. To convert liter into milliliter, we multiply the quantity in liter by 1000. To convert milliliter into liter, we divide the quantity in milliliter by 1000. So students, now let's look at example number 1. Convert 51 liter into milliliters. So we have to convert from liter to milliliters. So we know that one liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 51 liter will be equal to 51 into 1000 milliliters. So 51 liter is equal to 51,000 milliliters. So this is how we convert from liter to milliliter, and 51 liter corresponds to 51,000 milliliter. Addition of the units of measurements. Addition of the units of measurement can be carried out just like the addition of ordinary numbers. Just write the quantities having the same units in one column and add, regroup whenever needed. So students, now let's look at example number 1. Add 45 km, 233 meter, 24 km, 25 meter and 33 km, 504 meter. So here we are given three distances in kilometer and meter form, and we have to find the sum of all the three. That is, we have to add all the three distances. Let's make a kilometer column and a meter column. So in kilometer column we write 45, and in meter column it is 233 meter. Similarly, our second distance is 24 kilometer and 25 meter. So 25 meter can be written as 0 to 5 meter, and 33 kilometer 504 meter. 33 504. Now we have to add all the three distances. So first let's start from the meter column. 3 plus 5 plus 4 is 12. So 2 and 1 carry over. Now 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. Now kilometer, 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. So 2 and 1 carried over. Now 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. So we can say our distance, or the sum of that our addition resultant is 102 kilometer and 762 meter. So we can say 45 kilometer 233 meter plus 24 kilometer 25 meter plus 33 kilometer 504 meter is equal to 102 kilometer and 762 meter. So this is our answer. When we add the three distances, we get our resultant distance as 102 kilometer 762 meters. So I hope students you have understood how we added the three distances in kilometer and meter form. We have to make two separate columns for meter and kilometer and add them accordingly. Subtraction of the units of measurement. To subtract the length, weight and capacity, we follow the same rules as done for the ordinary numbers and write the difference in required units. So students, now let's look at example number 1. Subtract 89 meter 89 centimeter from 459 meter 29 centimeter. So basically we have to subtract this length from this length, that is 89 meter 89 centimeter from 459 meter and 29 centimeter. So first let's write the number from which the length has to be subtracted. That is, we have to perform 459 meter 29 centimeter minus 89 meter 89 centimeter. So let's perform the subtraction. So creating two columns, meter and centimeter. So in meter we write 459 and centimeter it is 29 centimeter, and subtract 89 meter and 89 centimeter. We have to perform subtraction. So let's start. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 8, since 8 is less than 2, so we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So now regrouping, so 1, so here it is 8, it is left 8, and here it becomes 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 8 minus 9, since 9 is greater than 8, we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So again regrouping, and it becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now again 8 cannot be subtracted from 4, so again regrouping, here it is 3 and it becomes 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6, and here it is 3. So 369 meter and 40 centimeter. So we can say that when we subtract 89 meter 89 centimeter from 459 meter and 29 centimeter, our answer is 369 meter and 40 centimeter. So this is the answer. So I hope students you have understood how to subtract a distance from a given distance. Multiplication of the units of measurement. To multiply the length, weight and capacity, we follow the same rules as done for ordinary numbers and write the product in required units. So students, now let's look at example number 1. Multiply 7 meter 35 centimeter by 4. So we have to multiply this length by 4. So let's start. First let's write it. 7 meter 35 centimeter multiplied by 4 is equal to. So now let's perform. So again making two columns, meter, centimeter. 7 meter 35 centimeter multiplied by 4 is equal to, now 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, so 0 and 2 carry over. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, so 4 and again 1 carry over. So 4 multiplied by 7 is 28 and 28 plus 1 is 29. So it becomes 29 meter and 40 centimeter. So we can say when we multiplied 7 meter 35 centimeter by 4, we get our answer as 29 meter and 40 centimeter. So I hope students you have understood how we multiplied a distance or a length by 4. Division of the units of measurement. To divide the length, weight and capacity, first convert the quantity into smaller units and then we follow the same rules as done for ordinary numbers. So students, now let's look at example number 1. Divide 6 meter 20 centimeter by 4. So we have to divide this length by 4. So first of all, as this length is in meter centimeter form, first of all let us convert completely into centimeter form. So 6 meter 20 centimeter can be written as 6 into 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, which is equal to 620 centimeter. Now dividing 620 centimeter by 4 is equal to, so let's do division here, 620 by 4. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, subtracting gives 2. Now bringing down the second term, that is 2. Now 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, subtracting again you get 2 as a remainder, bringing down the third digit, the 20. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So our quotient is our answer. So we get 155 centimeter. So 155 centimeter can be written as 100 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter plus 55 centimeter. So you can say the resultant is 1 meter and 55 centimeter. So this is the required answer. When we divide 6 meter 20 centimeter by 4, we get our answer as 1 meter 55 centimeter. Word problems. In real life, we come across such problems that involve the calculation of some metric measures. Example 1. Sumi travels 29 km 60 meter by bus and 44 km 850 meter by car to reach her house. How much distance is covered in total? So Sumi travels some distance by bus and some distance by car. So we have to find the total distance she has covered. So to find the total distance, we have to add both of the distances. So first, let's start. Distance traveled by bus is equal to 29 kilometer 60 meter, and distance traveled by car is equal to 44 kilometer and 850 meter. So therefore total distance covered is equal to 29 kilometer 60 meter plus 44 kilometer and 850 meter. So let's do the addition part here. So since the distance is in kilometer and meter, we have to add them separately. First the kilometer column and here the meter column. Kilometer column it is 29 and meter it is 60, so it can be written as 060 and 44 kilometer and 850 meter. So now let's add both of them. Starting from the meter column, adding 0, 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now adding kilometers, 9 plus 4 is 13. And 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. So it is 73 kilometer and 910 meter. So the distance traveled, that is the total distance traveled, is 73 kilometer and 910 meter. So this is our answer, that is the total distance covered.